Hello, I'm the Locomotive Engineer, and in today's video, I would like to share with you some highlights from the Diesel Days event at the B&O Railroad Museum. The event started with a showcase of some non-operational exhibits, including B&O EA number 51, Western Maryland F7 number 236, and Père Marquette SW1 number 11. I've highlighted B&O 51 before, but I can't stress enough just how incredible this unit is. Out in the sunlight, where it can be fully appreciated, its flawless restoration borders on awe-inspiring. It was a real treat to see this one during Diesel Days, even after having seen it twice before. The stationary exhibits provided a good start to the day, but the main event was a back-to-back marathon of run-bys from a wide variety of the museum's operational locomotives. The volunteers operating them put on a real show, with a lot of horn blowing, bell ringing, and engine revving. I'll get out of the way from here and let these diesels speak for themselves for a bit.
Let's give a wave to the volunteers operating this bad boy in the cab, Craig and Stuart. Thanks, guys, for making it happen.
The last feature of the Diesel Days event was the unveiling of the restoration of historic box cab diesel locomotive CNJ 1000. Though it was not in nearly as bad shape as B&O 51 was before its restoration, this venerable unit now looks much improved with a shiny new coat of paint. Since it was on display in the middle of the roundhouse, where it was very accessible for up-close examination, I was able to get a lot of good reference photos to aid in my project to model this locomotive in 3D. Here's a quick peek at how that project has been going. One last thing I did before leaving Diesel Days was to take a quick glance at the nice 3-builder lash-up that is on display in the museum yard. Featuring an Alco RS3, a Baldwin VO1000, and a Fairbanks Morse H1244, this is quite an impressive little group, even if they look a little worse for the wear. I hope you enjoyed this highlight of the 2021 Diesel Days. Thanks for watching.